On today's body cam, we're checking out Catholic school teacher arrested after driving drunk.
On June 27, 2024, officers initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle due to having a tag light out.
Why are you shining this light in my eye?
Ma'am, I'm not shining your eyes, I'm shining on your hands, just for the officer's safety. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you mind stepping out really quick?
Of course.
Hi.
This is Officer Andrade.
Can.
What's up?
You want to turn the vehicle off?
If you'd like me to.
Yeah, just to save some
Yeah, you can save some gas.
fossil fuels, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So,
I'll hold on to this one.
sure, I'll take it. I'm just gonna put them on top of your hood, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, just cause like I'm a little concerned, just because obviously you seem like you're rattled a little bit. So, what's going on? Because I know earlier you mentioned.
Yeah, so, I was on my place and I got into a disagreement with the person I'm dating, right? And,
Off the rip, man. I feel like, man, yo. Ladies, let me know, man. I know I got a lot of ladies that watch me, man. Let me know. Are you guys trained in this? You gotta be. How do you just turn on the crying to gain sympathy like that? How the hell? It's like a switch, man. She was talking perfectly fine. And then just, boop, acting mode. Let's go.
and
What's up?
You want to turn the vehicle off?
if you'd like me to.
Yeah, just to save some
Yeah, you can save some gas.
fossil fuels, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So,
I'll hold on to this one.
sure, I'll take it. I'm just gonna put them on top of your hood, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, just cause like I'm a little concerned, just because obviously you seem like you're rattled a little bit. So, what's going on? Because I know earlier you mentioned.
Yeah, so, I was on my place and I got into a disagreement with the person I'm dating, right? And, he left and, like, my dog is stuck in the place I don't have a key to. So he's whining.
Right.
So that's the only reason I got in the car. Because I need the key.
Right. Of course. So obviously you were home. Was it your husband or boyfriend or whatever the case is?
It's my boyfriend, whatever you want to call him. Like the person I'm dating.
Okay.
But that's the only reason. And,
And obviously you guys got into an argument.
we got into a disagreement, right? And, the
Take your
only
time.
reason I got into the car was because my dog is whining and he's stuck in this place, like apartment beside the place I'm staying. But it's like I can't get in.
Yeah. Do you live here with him? Is this your house? Or?
No, it's
How long have you been
I
living
live there because I was stuck in a situation where I got over where like I had nowhere else to go and I was on a boat and someone tried to tried to flood the boat and so it was like
Unplug
of
the
course flood.
Flood. Yeah.
And so it kind of screwed me. Right. This all sounds really insane. I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to be sorry to us.
I work at like the Catholic school in town. Like, I'm not some crazy
Where do you work at?
bitch.
Are you a teacher there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not some crazy bitch. I'm trying like when like we got into a disagreement and then he locked the door, he took my keys. I'm literally using the spare key to drive my car to try to get my dog out. Like because he was so upset.
Take your time. It's all good.
It's okay. I don't know. It's just insane. The only reason I got in the car tonight because I can't get to my dog.
Okay. Just because obviously we're concerned. Okay.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we're all here. I have to do my job. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you been drinking tonight? Anything tonight by any chance?
I have had a couple glasses of wine, but other than that, no.
What type of wine was it? Do you remember?
Red wine.
Red wine? Okay. Are you you said a couple glasses.
You know, I'm more of a white wine kind of guy. You know what I mean? Red gives me a headache. But okay.
And how long ago was that?
It's probably been almost an hour now.
Almost an hour.
An hour or two. Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that's maybe what caused an argument between you guys? Or?
No.
No?
I think he had been drinking longer.
Okay.
I think that it's just kind of something that was ending and it got
Right. I hear you. Okay, so I'm gonna read you something, okay? Just because obviously we're here to, unfortunately, we have to do our job, okay? You don't have anything on you right now, right? Okay, cool.
like what?
Just any weapons or anything, just for my safety and yours. Okay, good. Will you submit to field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you are under the influence of alcoholic beverages or chemical?
No, this is bullshit.
No, I hear you.
No,
Just let me
I'm not
finish.
doing that.
Just let
No, whoa. Go back to the crying. Nah, hell nah. You ain't about to just snap out of it like that. Go back to the crying act to gain more sympathy. Go back to that.
him finish so you can have you can make an informed answer, because there's more. So just let him finish and you can give him your answer. He's going to let you give him an answer.
There is no answer.
There is an
And
answer.
You know where this is going.
Okay, so
no.
just please listen to the officer.
Okay. So, will you submit to field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you are under the influence of alcoholic beverages or chemical or controlled substances to the extent that your normal faculties are impaired?
No.
No, okay. It's totally fine. Refusal to complete these exercises can be used against you in any future court hearing. Do you understand that? I have to advise you of that.
Will you repeat the question?
Okay. Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you are, in fact, driving this motor vehicle under the influence of any type of controlled substance? Of course, what? That you want to do it? Okay, cool. Interesting. So just give me 1 sec. I'm going to come right back to you, okay? If you want to come, if you want to walk on over here, please. I'm just going to have you stand over here, okay?
Or do you want me to have a shot?
Whatever you feel comfortable with. Whatever you feel comfortable with.
You want me to hold that for you now? Or you want to
Do
hold
you
on
want my son?
Oh, she went back to the... Okay, all right. At least we staying on par. She went back to the sympathy route. Got the napkin. Nose is a little red. Yeah, go back. Yeah, okay. All right. We on pace. All right. Don't deviate from that.
Well, let's not put on a glove.
Do you really want my snotty rag?
Well, that way you can concentrate.
Thank you.
That's what the glove's for. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright, if I'm gonna have you to stand. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you look at the tip of my pen. Okay?
Can I have a tissue though? Because I feel like I have.
Of course, we'll get you a tissue. I'll let you hang it up.
It's okay.
I'm really embarrassed. Okay.
It's okay.
I'm sorry you have to touch it.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
I've touched worse.
You're gonna keep your eyes on this and only on the tip of my pen, and don't tilt your head or anything like that. Okay? Just follow it with your eyes.
Okay.
Alright, do you understand that? Keep your head straight for me, okay? Try to keep your head straight. You're still moving your head a little bit.
Am I moving my head?
Yeah, you are.
I don't think I am.
Okay. Just keep looking at it for me, okay? Keep your head straight.
Oh, I felt that. I moved my head.
You moved your head just a little bit. You can keep looking at the tip. You're gonna place your left foot on a line and put your right heel against the toe of your foot. Okay? Alright, you're gonna place your arms down at your side.
On that line?
You can start off there, but obviously that line doesn't go all the way down, so let's just pretend there's an imaginary line, okay? Okay? So when I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the imaginary line. You're going to turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. Okay. Did you understand the instructions?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just go to the next one. That's fine. No worries. Alright, so the last one...
No, I really, like... I didn't know where you want to be.
I hear you, but that's fine. That's totally fine. We'll just go to the next one, okay? So the last one is going to be the one leg stand. You could begin whenever you want to.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. How far is it?
Until I tell you to stop. Yeah, so if you could just pick off where you left off at.
2008, 2009, 2010, 2011.
We're just going to stop it there. We're not, that's fine. We're just going to stop it there, okay? Just do me a favor. Just put your hands behind your back, please.
She already know. Her hands already behind her back. She already know.
The cuffs to make sure they don't keep getting tighter on you.
I'm sure that makes you feel better about what's happening.
781 minutes after 10. All right, I'm going to walk you over this way, okay?
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah, sure.
Please?
Go back to that.
All the shitty things.
Do you need help?
Please. Please. All the shitty things that happen in this. Yeah. I hope you sleep well. Let's go.
This way, please. Thank you. Careful with the other officer.
You're going to put her here?
No, on the other side. All right, do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
Nope.
Nope. All right.
Don't even have my phone.
We'll get your phone. Is it
Yeah,
in
I
your car?
doubt that.
Is it in your car?
No, it's not.
Okay.
That's the whole reason that I'm out
Just face
tonight.
the car, please.
Okay.
Thank you. I got it.
I mean, you're ruining my career, so I am going
Ma'am,
to
hold on,
enjoy
let's go.
taking
Oh, yeah.
all of this.
So listen, these keys, the car has to stay with the vehicle. These keys, you want to go with you?
Oh, I don't know.
She's about to start working
Who
at the
cares?
city.
What?
Are you already working at or you?
Oh, yeah.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am not. I'm a therapist. I work with. Yeah, no longer.
All right, so time for seconds.
Have fun.
Yeah, that's the decision that you decided to make. You're like, what the hell? Wait, what was that?
Yeah, no longer.
All right, so time for seconds.
Have fun.
Okay, there's a signal 0. Sam, there's a gun.
Possession of a firearm while you're drunk?
A gun? Come on, both sides. There's a signal 0 in the vehicle. Where's the serial here?
No, it's.
Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, that's same one.
Yeah, but it doesn't go all the way through.
Oh,
It's
6 to 9. Yeah.
It goes. It's just.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
on the bend.
It's just like a tiny one.
I couldn't see that, dude. I think I started. They need glass. All right.
The woman was charged with DUI, alcohol, or drugs. Thanks for watching Bodycam Breakdown. Don't forget
Subscribe, let the 808 slide. Craziest footage on a midnight ride. Bounce to the rhythm. Let the bass line hit.